Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Phoenix Strike Assassin in Diablo 2 Resurrected. This powerful martial arts skill allows you to cycle through 3 distinct elemental charges: fire, lightning, and cold. By building up these charges and then releasing them with a finishing move, you unleash devastating area of effect damage. It's a highly versatile build, offering excellent elemental coverage against various foes and providing a dynamic combat experience. To maximize your damage, prioritize Phoenix Strike, investing 20 points into it. Next, put 20 points into each of its 3 elemental synergies: Fists of Fire, Claws of Thunder, and Blades of Ice. These skills significantly amplify your Phoenix Strike's damage output. Additionally, allocate 1 point into Dragonflight for quick repositioning and engaging enemies, making your combat flow much smoother. When gearing your Phoenix Strike Assassin, focus on items that provide plus skills, increased attack speed, and bonuses to elemental damage. Look for fast weapons, such as claws, to quickly build and release charges. For attributes, allocate just enough points into strength and dexterity to equip your desired gear. After meeting these requirements, place all remaining attribute points into Vitality to significantly boost your life total and survivability. Your primary combat strategy involves building up 3 charges of Phoenix Strike. Once charged, release them with a finishing move, such as Dragon Claw, to unleash powerful area damage. Observe enemy resistances and cycle through your elemental charges accordingly to maximize your effectiveness. Utilize Burst of Speed for faster movement and attack speed, or Fade for damage reduction and curse resistance, adapting to the situation for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.